Ogden, Utah, what started as a simple welfare check turned into a jaw-dropping discovery. Over 150 animals found packed inside a single home. Officers were overwhelmed by barking, chaos, and the overwhelming conditions inside. 73-year-old Miguel Salgado Vargas is now facing 637 criminal charges, including animal cruelty and kennel violations. Viewer discretion is advised. This footage may be disturbing to some.
Ogden City Police! Search warrant! Come to the door! There's like 40 right here. Ogden City Police! If you're inside, make yourself known. We have a search warrant.
Not good, bro.
We have hazmat suits in our trucks.
No, you guys might need them later,
but
You definitely.
we're gonna get our masks real quick.
I mean, what's the concern that there's more people in here? I mean, this is.
It's never zero. It's never zero.
Oh my god. There's a lot.
Grab your mask. Grab your mask.
I just want to make it fast, and I don't want to go slow.
your suit.
It's very strong.
Suiting up.
Show your book. Put it. I did it. I did it to do the dog. I did it.
Felt you up here.
What other masks that you have? Some.
Well, we got masks at the PD. We'll see what we can do. Huh?
It's located off the appropriate
filter out the smells, so.
Yeah, dude. Quick, let's go. Yeah. Yeah. We got several cats back there. door open? Yeah? No?
No, it's screwed. It's screwed.
That's the front door.
Yeah.
Are we clear?
Yeah.
No upstairs?
No, not that I saw. A lot of cats. Can we go in here? Hey, Linda!
This case is a heartbreaking example of extreme animal hoarding and the urgent need for stronger checks on animal welfare. Thankfully, the animals are now safe and getting the care they need. What do you think should happen in cases like this? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to see more real footage and breakdowns like this, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.